Lancôme was built on a single belief: that luxury should feel personal. For nearly 90 years, it has been one of the world's most recognized names in premium beauty. From skincare to fragrance, from the lights of Paris runways into the personal rituals of women across the globe. A brand that has always led by experience, transforming every moment into an act of elegance. In Croatia, Lancôme had a foundation, a growing CRM base, a newsletter, a loyal audience. But with no physical stores of its own and a direct consumer relationships still too limited to scale, they needed to go further. Our insight was simple. Premium audiences are more ready to engage when the experience begins with reward, not with a contact form. And on Meta and TikTok, where the thumb decides everything in a split second, that insight became the foundation of the entire strategy. So we created a gamified digital scratch card, deployed through interactive ad formats on Meta and TikTok that simulated the act of revealing a gift. Instead of directing users to a standard web shop, we led them to a dedicated landing page where the experience came first. Users revealed their prize first, then entered their details, making participation feel natural, immediate, and entirely on brand. CRM integration enabled real-time processing and instant personalized reward delivery, creating a seamless transition from engagement to conversion. With a strategically focused investment across Meta and TikTok, the campaign delivered outstanding efficiency. Cost per lead came in significantly below category benchmarks, proving that a well-designed experience reduces the friction of data sharing far more effectively than traditional formats. The campaign generated thousands of high-quality new leads, with an ROI that returned several times the original investment. Gamification acted as a natural lead scoring filter. Only highly motivated users entered the funnel. The result was not just reach. It was a first-party database of measurable, high-value potential owned entirely by the brand. The campaign proved that gamification can do more than attract attention. It can build real brand relationships and set a new benchmark for premium digital marketing in markets where traditional retail simply isn't an option.